We begin our journey with the Citizenship Amendment Act, or CAA, which came into existence in December 2019. This act sparked nationwide protests due to its perceived impact on religious minorities and its alignment with the Indian constitution. Protesters, human rights activists, and legal scholars have argued that the CAA could potentially undermine the secular fabric of the Indian constitution. Next, we find ourselves amidst the sprawling fields and the hard-working farmers of India who have been protesting against the new agricultural laws. These laws, aimed at reforming the agricultural sector, have been met with widespread resistance from farmers. They believe that the laws could jeopardize their livelihoods, favoring corporations over the common man. We then turn our attention to the digital world, where the battle for internet freedom and social media regulation is being fiercely fought. The introduction of new IT rules that impact social media platforms has sparked debates about freedom of speech and expression, privacy, and the role of the government in regulating digital spaces. Our journey then takes us to the halls of justice, where a massive backlog of cases looms over the Indian judicial system. Concerns about efficiency, access to justice, and the need for judicial reform are pressing matters that the country is striving to address. The environment, our most precious resource, is also embroiled in legal battles. India faces severe environmental challenges such as air and water pollution, deforestation, and climate change. The fight for environmental protection and conservation efforts is an ongoing legal struggle. Finally, we touch upon the critical issues of gender equality and women's rights. Despite strides made in recent years, violence against women and gender inequality remain significant legal issues. These topics underscore the need for robust legal reforms and effective enforcement mechanisms. To sum up, India's legal landscape is marked by the Citizenship Amendment Act protests, the farmers' resistance against new agricultural laws, debates over internet freedom and social media regulation, the challenge of judicial backlog and reform, environmental concerns, and the ongoing fight for gender equality and women's rights. Each of these issues reflects the dynamic and complex nature of India's legal system and society. Remember, the legal landscape is ever evolving. Therefore, it's crucial to stay updated with the current developments on these issues. The journey through India's legal maze is far from over, and the road ahead remains filled with challenges and potential solutions. As we navigate this path, we continue to learn, evolve, and strive for justice,